The DAX index on the weekly chart is about to challenge the moving averages 200 level soon, and the CAC index on the weekly chart could go to the moving averages 50 level as the first target in the bear rally. On the daily chart, both indices are targeting the moving averages 200 level as a primary target, the decisive level for the bull and bear market. The markets will probably turn down from here, because the global and European economic outlook would not support the bull markets even in the medium term. The DAX index on the monthly chart is stuck between the moving averages 150 level, from where it will break out sooner or later. The CAC index turned upwards from the moving averages 50 level on the monthly chart to the delight of buyers. The Stoxx 50 index fell to the moving averages 200 level on the monthly chart, and the FTSE 100 index fell to the Bollinger Band's bottom line and the super trend indicator level on the monthly chart as the first target price in the bear market. The weekly chart shows that the Stoxx 50 index is struggling at the moving averages 200 level, with stock prices struggling at the decisive moving averages level of the bull and bear market. The FTSE 100 index on the weekly chart with moving averages 100 and moving averages 200 level, targeting the middle line of the Bollinger Bands above them as a primary target. The daily chart shows that the Stoxx 50 index has also targeted the moving averages 200 level as the primary top target level of the bear rally. The FTSE 100 index on the daily chart may rally to either the 50 or 100 or 200 level of the moving averages 200 level, targeting the middle line of the Bollinger Bands above them as a primary target. In summary, the European and US stock markets are theoretically nearing the end of the bear rally, but as we know, the markets do not always work logically. If the moving averages day 200 level on the chart is left up significantly, then the bull market could start up. The volume profile levels, I will not comment on these. I wish everyone a happy and prudent trade. Remember, money management, risk management is very important for trading success. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and had a great time. Thank you if you hit like and share the video. Write your opinion in the comments and what would you like to see next in the videos. We have new, informative, educational and analytical videos coming. Be sure to subscribe. Have a nice day, everyone.